The number one thing I look for is what you can't teach, which is drive. Things that you can try to inspire people, you really always can't teach it. And the thing that would frustrate me the most was the ones that had it, had a gift of selling, or had that natural raw ability, but didn't use it.
How do you feel about being surrounded by people that are smarter than you?
I love it. It's the smartest thing you can do. Early on, I was a boss in the very beginning of my career. And then I made a transition into becoming a leader. A boss is somebody that wants credit. A leader is somebody that will really step in there and genuinely cares to help somebody find success in their version and not ours. I would say that when it comes to anything that excites me the most, it is teaching leadership and looking for those characteristics in the right people.